Hey guys, how's it going? It's Wise here, and today doing another video, just another vlog. And holy shit, it's been raining all day like this. It's been like this the whole day. I'm trying to fucking cross the road here, mate. Yeah, and I'm going to go buy some food because I'm starving, and it's literally just raining really badly. So I'm gonna hurry up and get my food. But anyway guys, not long now till I do my zombie marathon from Black Ops 1 to Black Ops 2 that I have World at War, and hopefully you guys will enjoy that because it's great stuff. And yeah, I like doing zombies, and yeah, I'll host some open lobbies, so just message me, comment down below, whatever. And hopefully get you guys in the lobby as well. We can do some 1v1s if you guys want to so badly. But yeah, Black Ops 2, obviously. I have Ghosts for the extension if you guys want to. But yeah, so hopefully I'll see you guys later in about 2 weeks when I start doing Black Ops and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll still keep doing vlogs and FIFA stuff, so keep liking my videos and keep subscribing. As always, I'm Wise. Peace out.